Hey YouTube friends, a few people have seen my espresso machine and they asked me about my morning routine, so I thought I would share it with you today. Okay, the first step is to start out with the coffee with the espresso machine in dirty position here. So the first thing I would do is take out the portafilter like this, and I bought a knock drawer. Couple knocks and it's out. So I have to rinse the portafilter. Okay, now the next step is to put the portafilter back in and put it into the cleaning mode, which will loosen up any espresso grinds which may be left over as residue. So we're starting with a nice clean portafilter. Okay, then when that's over, now I have a clean portafilter and we're ready to go. I roast my own coffee, so I'll take some of the Colombian that I roasted a few days ago and put it into the hopper. Now I'll put the portafilter into the grinder. Now this is a nice feature of the Delonghi. I have an automatic tamping system, so I don't have to worry about making a big mess. Once it tamps down and I pull this out, it's nice and flat and ready to go. So then I put it into the position where the espresso will come out and grab a cup. And we're ready to go. This is obviously not an espresso cup because I wanted to show off the Americano feature, which is really cool. So the espresso is coming out, and it's of course a very small quantity of finely ground espresso. I have the setting on the finest ground, so we'll see a little bit of a orange color in here. A little bit of an orange color in here. That's called the crema. Okay, now if I set it to Americano, first the espresso comes out, and then after that this spout right here will start shooting out some hot water to dilute or lengthen, as we would say in Italian, the coffee. Okay, now I'm going to frost the milk. There are two types. I can do a flat white, which is less foam, or I can pull it down for full foam, as if I was making a cappuccino. Okay, that's it. And there we go. So nice.